What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear door latch on this 2001 BMW 325 Xi. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description, head over to 1AAuto.com. I'm going to take this window switch out first. Just take a straight blade screwdriver, get underneath here. You can also use a trim tool. Slide this up. There's two little tabs that hold it in. Disconnect the connector right there. Just wiggle it up. Now we're going to take a trim tool, take this trim off. Just slide underneath here. Just carefully pry it out. There's clips that hold it on in the back, and the clips stayed in with the panel. That's okay. Take these two little trim covers off. Just use a straight blade pocket screwdriver. Pull that one off. We'll do the same with this one. I'm going to take these screws out. There's 5 screws, 2 up there, 1 in there, and then 2 underneath this handle. I'm going to use a T20 socket, extension, and a ratchet. Keep in mind, this screw is a long one right there. Once you loosen this one up, I'm just going to take a small magnet, pull that screw out. Go underneath here, get these two. Now there's push pins that hold this door panel on, so we're just going to use a door trim removal tool, or trim removal tool. Get underneath here and just pry out. You might need to use a couple of them. Just pop them, just like that. Go all the way around the door. Just like that. We'll grab the door panel, just slide up. Just like that. There is some clips. So with those clips, you actually don't want to slide up. You want to pry them out. So keep that in mind. Disconnect the speaker right here. Just squeeze that. Take this power wire for the window switch. Just take a trim tool, get underneath the wire retainer, pop it off. And then right here, just slide. This is for the door latch on the inside. Just slide that out, just like that. I'm gonna disconnect this connector right here. Just grab both sides, pull it apart. We wanna take this vapor barrier off. I'm just gonna use a knife and just cut it. You can use a razor blade or a utility knife. Cut this. It should stick back to itself when you go to put it back together. If not, you can add a little bit of this adhesive. Just like that. Set this aside. All right, just take this cable. I'm just gonna slide this in this way. Like that. We're going to take these screws out. I'm going to use a T30 and a ratchet. Loosen these up, take them out. You can always use an electric ratchet. Take those out. Okay, now we want to slide this down. Now there is a cable inside here. I'm going to just take that cable, slide it out from behind this bar right here. Access this. Now we can access the connector. Push down on the 2 tabs on the connector. Slide the connector off. Slide this cable through here. Slide the lock rod out. And then we can disconnect this cable right here. just slide this off and then slide that out just like that. There's your latch. Now we're going to take this cable, line this up through that slot, and then re-secure this here. Make sure that locks in place. And we want this to go in like that. Slide this down here. Make sure the lock rod is going to get lined up back through this hole. Once that lock rod's there, we'll just take the connector, connect that back up, line it up, lock it in place, position this right there, grab one of the screws, put that screw on. This little cover popped off, just put that back on there. Take these other screws, get those started. Take my T30 and my electric ratchet, tighten these down. I'll just take my regular ratchet and just snug these up a little bit. Make sure they're tight. That's good. This cable that goes from the latch to the handle is going to go right behind this little rod right there. And then this cable is going to go right through here. Just like that. Now we're going to reinstall the vapor barrier. Move the wires out of your way. Get this lined up. Back in position there. That looks good like that. Take this connector, just connect that right there. Lock it in place. This wire we're going to fish through here. That's going to go for the window switch. Make sure that's in the right position before you put this back together. It's good like that. And we want to connect this right here. This one's going to connect to the speaker. Plug that in. And then take the cable for the handle. And you want to make sure the handle is not open. Keep it closed. Just line this up. It's going to slide in like that. Lock in position, and then just double check it. Make sure it works and it's working properly. Make sure your wire's through here. And then if any of these clips have popped out, you're going to want to take them out of the door panel. Take the lock rod, slide that in position there. Line these all up. Once everything's lined up, just give it a push. That's good. All right, I'm gonna take the screws and a T20 socket extension and a ratchet. I'm gonna get all these screws started first before I tighten them down. And then this last one, this is the long one. It's gonna go right here. Once I get all of those started, go back and snug them all up. Take these two little trim pieces. They're gonna slide in like that first, and then lock in place. Same with this one. Just like that. Take this trim piece right here, This is gonna slide in down here and then line those tabs up. Just like that, and push it on. And it's all the way down. All right, take the connector. There is a little tab on the connector that lines up with the switch. Slide that like that. And then make sure you slide the switch in properly. Don't put it in upside down. Lock it in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.